For the stiff arm bicep curl, the aim of the game is to keep shoulder, hip and knee in a straight line with no leaning forwards or back as we lift the weights. We've got our elbows soft, the wrists ever so slightly flexed, and we're raising the dumbbells right up to shoulder height. A little pause at the top for a second, breathing and bracing into the abdominals, ensuring we don't lift the chest or flare the rib cage.
Joanne's working a stiff arm bicep curl here. The main focus is for us to keep our shoulders and back against the wall. We want softness in the elbows, almost like a little start of a bicep curl. And then the goal is to lift using the core, bicep, and the front of the shoulder. You can hold the top for a couple of seconds, and then slowly lower down. Good, 2 more, Joanne.